Ever wondered what cookies would taste like if baked in space? Well, wonder no more. Welcome to the heart of the Milky Way, where the Cosmic Culinary Council has convened to announce the inaugural Interstellar Bake-Off. This is no ordinary cooking competition. It's a cosmic clash of culinary creativity, featuring the cream of the crop from kitchens across the universe. Each competitor brings a unique flair to the table, representing diverse galaxies with their extraordinary talents. From the spiral arms of Andromeda to the gaseous giants of the Orion Nebula, these interstellar chefs are ready to showcase their out-of-this-world baking skills. Will they rise to the occasion or crumble under pressure? The stakes are high, the ingredients are alien, and the recipes are uncharted. With the stage set for an epic culinary showdown, the universe waits with bated breath. In the heart of the Milky Way, the pantry doors swing open. Inside, a myriad of intergalactic ingredients awaits, each more exotic and tantalizing than the last. They're not just from around the corner, oh no, these are handpicked from the farthest reaches of the cosmos. Let's start with the moonberries. These shimmering gems are harvested from the lunar orchards of Orion's belt. They possess a tangy sweetness that is sure to elevate any cookie dough to stratospheric heights. Next, we have the comet crystals. These are not your run-of-the-mill sugar substitutes. Formed in the icy tails of comets, these crystals carry a frosty sweetness that melts delightfully on the tongue. When baked into cookies, they burst into a spectacle of taste and color, as captivating as a meteor shower. But what's this? Starflower nectar. This rare and precious liquid is collected from the blossoms that bloom once every millennium on the dwarf stars of the Andromeda Galaxy. Its floral notes and velvety texture promise to bring an extraordinary depth of flavor and a celestial glow to our cosmic cookies. And these are just a few of the wonders that our intergalactic pantry holds. Each ingredient, in its own way, is a piece of the cosmic puzzle that our chefs will assemble to create the most delectable and visually stunning cookies this side of the universe has ever seen. With these celestial ingredients, our chefs are ready to embark on their culinary mission. But baking in space isn't as easy as it sounds. The Nebula Nom-Noms, playful extraterrestrial creatures with an insatiable sweet tooth, are known to stir up some cosmic chaos, adding unexpected twists to the Interstellar Bake-Off. Imagine this, you're in the middle of crafting the perfect cookie, when suddenly a puff of gooey gorgon gas fills the air. This isn't your typical gas, it's a dense cloud that slows down every movement, making even the simplest tasks like whisking or kneading feel like you're moving through interstellar molasses. Yet, our chefs persevere, demonstrating strength and resilience as they power through the challenge. Their hands moving with a grace and precision that's simply mesmerizing. Then, just when they think they've regained control, the zero-gravity frosting fiasco strikes. Picture trying to pipe delicate swirls of frosting onto your cookie, only to have it float away into the ether. It's like trying to catch a shooting star with a butterfly net. But our chefs are not easily deterred. With a flick of the wrist and a dash of creativity, they transform this obstacle into an opportunity, creating whimsical designs that not only defy gravity, but also our expectations. The Nebula Nom-Noms, though mischievous, serve to bring out the best in our intergalactic bakers. Each challenge tests their skills, pushing them to think outside the box, or rather, outside the galaxy. They adapt, they improvise, and they create culinary masterpieces under the most extraordinary circumstances. Through gooey gorgon gas and zero-gravity frosting fiascos, they maintain their focus and their commitment to their craft. The cookies might be cosmic, but the passion and dedication are universally human. It's a testament to their unwavering pursuit of perfection, their quest to create not just a cookie, but a celestial experience. Despite the cosmic chaos, our chefs remain focused on their ultimate goal, creating the perfect cookie. The Nebula Nom-Noms might make the journey more challenging, but in the end, they make the victory all the sweeter. Now, watch as simple cookie dough transforms into edible works of art. In this interstellar bake-off, the boundaries of creativity are as wide as the cosmos itself. Each chef, armed with nothing but their culinary skills and a pinch of cosmic inspiration, embarks on a quest to create a masterpiece that's as delectable as it is visually stunning. Observe as the bakers knead and roll their dough, their motions as fluid and rhythmic as the dance of celestial bodies in space. Each piece of dough is a blank canvas, waiting to be transformed into a spectacle of cosmic proportions. One chef, inspired by the constellations that twinkle in the distant galaxies, sculpts her cookies into the shapes of the most iconic star formations: the Orion, the Big Dipper, the Southern Cross, each cookie a tiny edible snapshot of the night sky. Another chef, fascinated by the grandeur of the planetary rings, crafts his cookies to resemble the majestic rings of Saturn, complete with colorful icing that mirrors the vibrant hues of the gas giant's iconic feature. Not to be outdone, a third baker molds her dough into the shape of a rocket ship, ready to take off into the sprawling cosmos. Complete with edible thrusters and a sugary trail of stardust, her cookie pays homage to the adventurers who dare to explore the vast unknown. As the bakers put their finishing touches, each cookie begins to tell a unique tale from the cosmos. An edible ode to the mysteries and wonders that lie beyond our reach, these culinary creations capture the essence of our endless fascination with the stars and the stories they hold. Our chefs have truly turned baking into a cosmic art form. Each cookie, much like a constellation in the sky, is a testament to the power of imagination, a tribute to the beauty of the cosmos, and a delicious treat that's sure to tickle the taste buds of any extraterrestrial entity or human alike. Stay tuned as these spectacular cookie constellations journey into the oven, where they will bake under the watchful eyes of our chefs. Will they emerge as tantalizing treats, or will they crumble under the heat of competition? Our chefs have truly turned baking into a cosmic art form. It's time for our panel of cosmic food critics to weigh in. First up, we have Gourmet Gamma Ray, a sentient black hole known for its discerning palate and insatiable appetite. Next, we have Asteroid Al, a talking asteroid who's been around the solar block a time or two and knows a thing or two about interstellar flavor profiles. Together, they form an unparalleled team of taste testers, ready to critique the culinary masterpieces our bakers have been working tirelessly to create. But the path to victory is not as straightforward as it seems. Our bakers now face surprise challenges that will test their mettle and their creativity. Our first challenge is the Quantum Mixing Bowl, a seemingly ordinary bowl that can cause ingredients to appear, disappear, and even change form. Imagine adding a pinch of moonberries to your dough, only to have them transform into comet crystals at the last second. How's that for a curveball? Next, we have the Wormhole Whisk, a device that can take your cookie dough on a journey through space and time. One moment your dough could be mixing in the bowl, the next it could be chilling in the icy rings of Saturn. The bakers must keep their wits about them to ensure they retrieve their dough before it embarks on a one-way trip to the Andromeda Galaxy. Tensions are rising as our bakers grapple with these cosmic curveballs. Every stir, every knead, every sprinkle is a strategic move in this high-stakes game of interstellar baking. The air is thick with anticipation as our chefs, each a master in their own right, battle it out for the coveted title of Cosmic Cookie Connoisseur. As the cosmic clock ticks down, the pressure is mounting. Each chef is giving it their all, pushing their culinary skills to the limit. The scent of baking cookies fills the air, a sweet reminder of what's at stake. Who will emerge victorious in this celestial showdown? The universe is on the edge of its seat. The competition culminates in the Grand Galactic Gala. Imagine a universe-wide celebration, an event of such magnitude that stars themselves might feel a twinge of envy. This isn't just a gathering of the galaxy's finest chefs, it's a spectacle, a feast for the senses, a cosmic culmination of culinary creativity. The Grand Galactic Gala is where the winning chef is crowned the Cosmic Cookie Connoisseur. The anticipation is palpable, the tension electric. The air hums with excitement as the moment we've all been waiting for finally arrives. And then, with a flourish, the most celestial cookie creation is unveiled. This isn't just a cookie, it's a marvel of interstellar ingenuity, a testament to the chef's skill, a masterpiece that captures the very essence of the cosmos. It's a cookie that has journeyed through a universe of flavors, braved nebula nom-noms, and emerged victorious. It's a cookie that's more than a cookie. It's a symbol, a beacon, a testament to the power of creativity and imagination. The audience erupts in applause, a sound that echoes across galaxies, reverberating through the cosmos. The chef, now the newly crowned cosmic cookie connoisseur, basks in the glory of their achievement. They've proven that they can not only bake, but also create, innovate, and inspire. And thus, the first ever Interstellar Bake-Off comes to an end. But fret not, the Cosmic Kitchen will open its doors again, inviting you to another delicious adventure beyond the stars.